Lock in. Admin at Rolling Hills. Then bro. The merchant. What are we doing? You guys have the merchant ID. Why do I? All right. Okay, this merchant ID. That was thing about going long. Anyway, as I said, uh, not thinking about any of these trades at all. If we do happen to get longs, we're just going to enter them. What is our, because this is my next target level at 6919. If I had to, let's map out a, because if we're going long, we need at least, because I know it's gonna break past. If we actually go, it's gonna break past there. All right. Oh, damn. The next pivot is fucking 6932. All right. So I'm going to remove these levels for now, just so I have a clearer chart, and I'm just going to focus on these 4 levels that I have. Those are going to be my ultimate targets if I cannot seem to get my 10 points. The first thing we have to get it clear. You have to get it clear above here, right? Then we retest. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Bro, I'm not going to lie. I gotta take a fucking shit. What the fuck? Oh god. Gang. You ever visualize retiring your family? Well, all right. Uh, fucking A. We're going straight to target. No retest. Nice. Yo, there's no fucking way, bro. Epic going straight to target, game.
Looks like long today, boys.
Yeah, this shit going straight to my target, bro. But you already know there's no point of entry for us here yet.
Yeah. Straight to the moon.
Let me see this. 6915. Yeah, if we could get a rejection right here, that'd be ideal.
Wait, what's your target?
My ultimate target, like my first target was 6919, and then I have a secondary target at 6932. But 6919 is about to get smashed as fuck, bro. Like if we don't get a retest here, then it's curtains.
Yeah.
I mean, it's curtains for the retest. The thing I don't like about longs, bro, it's like after a while, you already know what happens with the longs.
Yep.
But as I
That's the
said,
thing. Should we just start taking it when it should we just start taking it when it hits for longs, or should we like think about it when it hits for longs?
I'm not thinking about, as I said, bro, like my brain is shut off with thinking when it comes to trading type shit. It's like as long as we don't get any above average volume candles on the retest, it's like I'm not stressing like I'm gonna enter it regardless.
Okay.
Like that's what I coming from last week. That's exactly what I said, and I was like, you know what? Just to make my life simple in terms of like thought process and you know, if the strategy is there, it's there. You know, we're not gonna take a 7 out of 10 trade. We're gonna take the 8, the 9s, and the 10s.
Yeah.
So that's really all it is. 7s are gonna be the one that have the engulfing candles going down on the retest. That's the ones we gotta avoid. And I'm specifically gonna only use ES as my entry models now. Like I'm not gonna use SPY, even if SPY gives it. Like I'm just not gonna use it.
Yeah, don't. Dude, my back testing is strongly agreeing with you.
Yeah, bro.
Like, okay, so far I will share you guys the what the fuck?
This liquidity zone is true that it's just gonna fucking bomb off, man.
So far, fellas, what we're working with is I've tested 2024, January, February, and March. So far with the MES VWAP method, I have taken every trade that I could possibly take with zero discretion that follows these rules. Pre-market levels set to the high and low after 6:30 a.m. 2 candles must close above or below the pre-market range in the same direction before price engages the cloud. This one's kind of tentative because I don't know if this next one actually is optimal. I said trades must be exited max 30 minutes after entry, but I
Yeah.
think
No.
removing that
Yeah.
will actually make us more profitable. Like that's what I did initially, so I'm gonna keep doing that, but I'm gonna hold that one on hold. Take profit is always the directly previous high, so it's not the high of the day, but it's the previous high from a turnaround.
Mm-hmm.
Unless it would make the risk to reward less than 1.0. Take every single cloud touch must be separation from the cloud before taking in a reversal. So there's some that literally just go back and forth into the cloud. I'm not going to take that every single time in this. And then I don't know if I said this, but stop loss is always the middle of the VWAP and 1 tick above. So
Mm-hmm.
with me taking every single trade, like that means that I've taken trades that touch the cloud at 3:50 p.m. I've taken them that touch it fucking literally all day. I'm taking every single time it fits these rules. So I'm halfway through March of 2024, and the cumulative return is 14%, and the max drawdown is 0.85% on MES, which is genuinely incredible. So that's on pace for about 5% per month, which would be 60% in a year, non-compounding. Literally taking every single cloud touch,
Yep.
which is insane. So this is why, David, I need 2024 data as well, because if 2020 or 2025, 2024 and 2025 both support this and they're both within the 40 to 60% range on every single trade, just imagine if we refine exactly what we take and then automate it, or we don't even have to automate it necessarily, but refining it, dude, like this strategy alone could be doing multitudes, and then compounding with what Jamal is doing and David's doing, we could consistently hit 100+% years. But
Definitely. I'm definitely gonna finish my bag testing for 2025. Definitely by Sunday.
Okay.
Tonight I have to work a double at my second job, so like I gotta get some sleep during the day.
I got
But
you.
I'll definitely finish it by Sunday without a doubt.
Love it. I'm about to kill myself. I took Meta right off the bottom, and I just sold it because it was at like 115%, but my initial target was pre-market high, and it's stronger than SPY right now.
Which
And
one
I
you
think it's
took?
gonna hit. I took Meta off the
Okay.
levels, big surprise there, but I was targeting pre-market high, and I was like, if this hits, it's literally plus 400%. Sold early.
You
When,
sold right now.
yeah, I just got out. It was at 115%.
That's good.
Can't really. Yeah.
Can't complain.
Can't complain, but you can stare at the chart and look at how much money I'm missing out on.
We all do that, brother. We all do it.
But so with this MES testing, there is zero discretion. Like whether I like it or not, I'm taking everything. I have noticed a few minimal patterns in the losers. Obviously some of which are the time of day that you take it and the size and the volume of the candle entering into the cloud. So like every time there's a humongous fucking red candle going into the cloud, when I have to take the long, big surprise, it doesn't work out too well.
Yep.
So like even just trimming that fat off, like the returns are gonna be absurd. Like
Yeah.
I'm just, oh my gosh, fuck me, dude. Meta would be up 200%. Sorry. And then
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
Bro.
I literally told
Daijobu.
Martin, like, I was like, this is either hitting take profit or stop loss. I don't give a fuck. But I apparently did give a fuck.
We all do, brother. We all say the same shit and we go against it.
Nah, yesterday I did that shit, bro. Yesterday I let that shit rip. I was like, bro, I'm not getting out of this shit, bro. Like it's gonna hit one of them, and it hit my fucking stop loss, and it is what it is, bro. Like we just got to get used to that. Have to. whether we like it or
Yeah.
not.
100%. I mean, dude, like with these meta trades, I just like, I don't know, because any of the options guys, I strongly recommend that you backtest meta based on just literally just pre-market levels because, or like previous day levels because like they interact so well. And I'm telling you, if you can catch the bottom on the first candle of 930 day or the top of it, I promise you will make 100% on your option every single time, unless it's like multiple weeks out. And it's like the risk to reward is so beautiful where it's like my stop loss here was a $30 loss. My ultimate sell target was a $200 win, and it's one contract. Like it's just, it's yeah.
One day I'll get back into options.
No, I am getting out of options.
Yeah, I fucking hate the
Yeah, it's
IV, bro. Hate that
Vegas and
shit.
I kind of switching places right now.
Dave, dude, you do not want to trade options.
I don't
Telling you,
want
bro.
to. Jamal wants me to learn it.
I mean, you have to
Oh.
learn it. You have to learn it. Like, I'm just saying, like, you have to know about it. Like, for real, for real. You just really have to, bro. It's like one of those rites of passages that you just have to know.
Yeah, so I'm kind of like I'm still gonna be like learning and looking in the futures. Like, of course, that's like my home base pretty much. But I'm gonna not transfer completely over to options, but I just want to learn that just to get more of a knowledge and everything. But I'm mainly gonna be sticking to futures. But Jamal wants me to learn options, just so like when we do get into everything, I know exactly what he's trading
Yeah.
and like all that fun stuff. Yeah.
The actual futures.
Mhm.
Oh my goodness, dude. You know, sometimes that feeling when you like know that trade's gonna go that way, but you don't take it, and then it goes exactly the way you wanted it to go.
Yes. Yes. Multiple times. Multiple times.
I'm just looking at this. I'm like, brother.
And target has been, well, it's getting rejected, but it's like there. This is probably like if I had entered, I probably would have closed it because it's like literally 1 centimeter off. So
What
I
would you
would've-
have entered here?
that's what I'm saying. Like, there's no entry point. There's no
Yeah.
fucking entry point, bro. If I had
Yo.
entered.
Something I will say is I can't even tell you how important it was in this backtest that you have to get 2 consecutive candles closing above pre-markets. Like if you could take trades within the pre-market range, like the returns would probably have been cut in half. Like it's actually insane.
Yeah, bro. Like, we're well above the pre-market range, upper pre-market range, you know.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Like right now, if this comes back into the cloud and it's not a crazy volume profile, I mean, I'm just gonna say swimwear.
Swimwear.
We have to.
'Cause we're in there like swimwear, David. Come on.
Yes, we are.
Lock in. Lock in, boys.
Oh, okay.
Somebody just let me know if we get close. I'm gonna test.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, yeah. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. We might be getting the Holy Grail in March 15th, 2024 right now.
What is that?
Yeah. Dude, this is the Holy Grail. Zelly, the one difficult thing has been, oh my gosh, no fucking way. I just
What?
got stopped out and then it hit my take profit on the Holy Grail. but it did give me a second entry, so theoretically I should take this and then we hit our take profit.
Let me draw
So,
my
Joe,
path. Yeah.
when I'm saying I take everything, I'm talking about like once you're outside of this pre-market range, I mean everything.
Yeah.
So, I'm peeping this, right? This was the Holy Grail. Lost this, come back down. You get this little minor separation point. Take it again, and then it's like every single time you're outside the range, and then it touches. I'm taking it. Like I have to take this. Obviously, I probably would not take this at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
But the only time you do not have to take a trade is if you're already in one when it's. Oh my gosh. Did this close in profit? It did. Holy shit. Ew. Let's go, gang. And then this is what I'm talking about with the previous. So, like, honestly, so like this one, when I'm talking about the previous levels. So actually, realistically, like this should have been here, but like it has to be above a 1 risk to reward. So then you
Yeah.
just use the previous one back there. This one, yeah, you're supposed to use this. And this has just been gravy because it's like when you set your stop loss to that every time. Like, let me show you some shit. Like there have been days where I've lost like 7 trades in a row, and then I win 2, and I'm up. Where it's like, what day was it? Why didn't I? I think I was supposed to take this. Fuck.
Yo, you see when this drop,
Oh,
like
no.
this thing I don't like about this now, bro. When this drop happens, when the retest happens, it's gonna be so heavy. Oh my god.
Maybe. I mean, dude, we might get pre-market ceiling 9 and VWAP.
Oh, you're
What are we
looking on
thinking?
SPY. I'm not looking on SPY as.
Oh,
what are we?
right.
Oh, this is fucking.
Martin, I'll let you know, bro. Let's see.
Chill out, bro. Relax, bro.
Oh yeah, ES is like way more gone than SPY.
Yeah.
I'll let you know, Marty Supreme.
Marty Supreme.
There's gonna be one more major move for the morning, and that's gonna decide if we fucking send off or if we just like don't get in any trades at all.
Okay, Martin, I do. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I see your screen.
If this lines up, so I'm gonna make this line like gold. So the one thing I do like here is that we have this extra vessel. So if we return to the cloud here, this yellow line, so this is our pre-market high. This yellow line is previous day massive support. If we have a gamma node somewhere around here that can reverse this, I will take it. 68, no, so we don't. 68.85, let's see. 68.80. Oh, we do actually. Okay, interesting. What about 68.75? So we have a gamma node literally right in the cloud, which is good because these. Okay. And then we have slow acceleration. I actually think that I will take this if we get like right here. I mean, obviously, like watching volume profile because when we start descending, if the volume is generally increasing and CAD does taper largely, I mean, obviously, that's going to be a no-go. So, Martin, we'll play it by ear, but right now, I will say if everything holds